Hi Year 10, hopefully you got on all right with your assessment. So my mission is now to try and finish this topic on congruence and similarity. It's quite a small topic. So before the end of this term, so when you come back in Year 11, hopefully that we're all at the same point and that we can pick up from the next topic. Okay, perfect. Right, now similar shapes. So last set of lessons you looked at congruency, and congruency means that the shapes have the same side lengths and the same angles. Similar shapes have the same angles, so that's the main thing. They have the same angles, but they're enlargements of each other. So these two shapes are mathematically similar. Okay, so that angle there will be the same as that angle there, that angle there will be the same as that one there, and this one here will be the same as this one here. Okay, they are enlargements of one another, so they're called mathematically similar. Now, we talk about scale factors. Okay, so hopefully you're au fait with scale factors. Now, most scale factors that you're used to doing when you do transformations, you use a length scale factor. So here, to get from 5 to 20, okay, we've got to multiply by 4. So we say here that I call it the length scale factor, okay, is 4. So everything's multiplied by 4. And if we want to go backwards, it'd be divided by 4. So we have to work out the length of DF. So this one's here, so I'm going to times it by 4, so that one will be 24. Okay, the length of BC, okay, so I've got to go divide by 4 down here, so that will be 4.5. Okay, next question here. Write down the size of angle JKL. I'm going to put a little hat above the K. So that's this angle up here. So I know that it's going to be 65 degrees because I'm told that they are mathematically similar. Work out the length of GI. Well, I've got to work out the length scale factor here. To get from 9.5 to 19, I've got to times by 2. Okay. So if I do that, then this one's going to be times by 2, so I've got to work out GI, so I've got to divide by 2 coming backwards, so that'll be 11 centimetres. Okay, so that's fairly straightforward. Now, let's think about what happens to the area when we have a similar shape. So imagine I've just got a rectangle here, which is 4 by 2, okay, and I'm going to have a length scale factor of 2. Okay, so it's going to be 8 by 4. Now, what's happened to the area? Well, the area of this one's 8, and the area of this one's 32. So actually, the area scale factor is 2 squared. Okay, so obviously we can see it's 4, but it's actually the length scale factor squared. Okay, so we're going to use that information to answer these questions. We're going to do the ones in the notes first, and then you've got some questions to do, some GCSE questions to have a go at yourself. So here, we can see here, now, I use this all the time and I find it really useful, particularly when we move on to volumes, which we're going to do next lesson. So here I can see to get from A to B, okay, A to B, we've got a length scale factor of 2. Okay, so that means the area scale factor is 2 squared. Okay, right, so the area of this one is 20. Okay, so I've got to times that by 2 squared to work out the area of this one. So 20 times 4 is going to be 80. Okay, so fairly straightforward. Okay, right, first of all, let's look at the length scale factor. So to get from 4 to 6, I've got to multiply by 1.5. Okay, so the area scale factor will be 1.5 squared, which is 2.25. Okay, I've got my calculator out ready now. Work out the area of parallelogram B. Okay, well, we're told that one's 28, so 28 times 1.5 squared. Helps if you get one that works. Right, so 28 times 1.5 squared. Okay, it's 63. Okay, so the area of this one will be 63 there. Okay, length scale factor, area scale factor. So you'll notice every time I'm going to have one of these, I'm going to put this down. So Right, I don't know the length scale factor, but I know that to get from 5 to 45, okay, that's been times by 9. Okay, so what is the square root of 9, which is 3? Okay, because remember, this is the area scale factor is the length scale factor squared, so that must be 3 because 3 squared is 9. Okay, so now I've got my scale factors, I can work out everything. So to get from here to here, I've got to times by 3. So 2 times 3 is going to be 6 centimetres. Okay, right, you've got just 5 questions. I'm being really nice, by the way. Just 5 questions to do. Have a go at them. I've put the answers on the bottom, so you can just take a photo of that if you want and just submit it to assignments. Okay, and that's it. Okay, good luck and goodbye.